welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of a refresh in our master bedroom for fall. So I'm going to be changing out some bedding, doing just some simple decor changes on our dresser. We also added in another dresser that was a DIY project. I also found some really pretty antique finds at a vintage market that I went to over the weekend. And yeah, so we're just going to be kind of switching some things out, but it's going to be very subtle. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a haul of the items we are going to be using in today's video before we get to decorating the space. So I recently got a package in the mail from Brooklinen, so thank you to Brooklinen for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys, showing you what we're going to be using as far as the bedding goes, some other items that we're going to be incorporating into our space before we get to decorating that room. So we're going to go ahead and start with the unboxing portion of today's video with my Brooklinen products that I received. I am so excited about this. First off, can we just talk about how good that this is packaged? It comes so nice. I love the aesthetic of this box as well. You guys know I'm a huge fan of blue, so this is really cute. This comes with lots of different things. So I ended up getting the Luxe package. It comes with a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, a duvet cover, and 2 pillow covers, which is great. I've actually never used a duvet cover before, so I'm super excited about this. And one of my favorite things about Brooklinen is that you can mix and match all of those items. They have multiple bundles you can choose from. Like I said, I chose the Luxe bundle, and I'm super pumped for this color to go in our room for fall. This color is called Warm Gray for the duvet cover, and then I ended up getting the white for all of the sheets and the pillowcases. But whenever you first open it up, Brooklinen will have this little booklet here. It is so nice. It gives you all of the instructions on how to care for your bedding. There's just tons of different things in here. It gives you the different materials that they have and just a lot of good information. So really nice to have this. But when I first opened this earlier, I noticed the duvet cover and I love this color. So I opted for the Warm Gray. This is the duvet cover. I love this color. It is so pretty. Like I said, it's called Warm Gray. And in our room, we have a lot of those earthy tones, so I think this will be so perfect. I am a huge fan of this. This is so nice. And it looks like it does have the buttons here. So I'll be able to just slip this over one of my comforters that I have already and we'll be good to go. But I love this. The color is so pretty. I wanted to do something that was just really warm and inviting, but not super deep in like color and whatnot. And I think this is perfect. And not only am I going to be able to use this for fall, I'll be able to use this all year round because it's such a, you know, light and airy color, and it's just super neutral. So I love this piece. This is so refreshing. It's like cooling to the touch, which I love that when it comes to bedding, even in those cooler months. So this is going to be so nice to use. Like I said, for the pillowcases and the flat and fitted sheet, I just opted for white. You can't go wrong with white sheets. They go with literally anything. So if I ever wanted to change out like blankets and throw pillows and things like that, it doesn't matter. It's all white, so it'll be super convenient. But this is what the pillowcases look like. They feel just as nice and just as luxurious as the duvet cover does. They had so many great options to choose from, tons of different colors. They had one that was like a pinstriped. It was so pretty. I loved that one as well, and just a lot of really pretty colors on there. But like I said, you can mix and match all of it, which is such a plus because not everyone wants everything to be the exact same color. Like as you guys can see, I opted for 2 different colors. If I wanted to, I could have gotten the pillowcases different colors and just had a lot of fun with it, which is super convenient. Next up, we have the sheet set. And before I open this, I do want to mention to you guys that by using this bundle, you save 25%. So that is a huge discount in my opinion. And I will also have a discount for you guys on top of that. So it's almost like saving double whenever you buy the hardcore bundle. Like I said, this is the Luxe version that I chose. I will have everything for you guys linked down below, but you save 25% just by bundling it together. And then I also will have a code for you guys. That way you can get $20 off of $100. So pretty good discount. I think that these are for sure worth investing in. If you think about how often you sleep in your bedroom and just how, you know, much rest you need to just have energy and live throughout the day and just, you know, do all of the things. You truly need something that you can invest in, that you can just be comfortable in and relax every single night and just get cozy and get that much needed sleep. Last but not least, these are the core sheet set. So like I said, this is 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and then I just showed you guys the 2 pillowcases. And again, I just got these in white. Oh, I cannot wait to put these on our bed. They're just so incredibly soft. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever had like luxurious sheets, so I'm super pumped about this. But just look how crisp and clean it looks. It just reminds me of like a really nice hotel. So if you can get your bedroom to feel like a really nice, clean, crisp hotel, why not? But I think that these are super very good quality. They are so nice. I love the feeling of them. Again, if you love that cooling and just like crisp feel of sheets and bedding, definitely invest in some Brooklinen. They have the luxe bundle. They also had a linen bundle, which was stunning. I love that look of the linen material. And then they also had their classic bundle as well. So again, by buying the bundle, you'll be able to save 25%, which is a huge chunk of money in my opinion. Plus the discount code on top of that, you cannot go wrong. So now that I've showed you these, let's go ahead into our bedroom and put them on the bed. Can't wait to decorate this room and just get it all cozy for fall. Okay, so I just realized that the fitted sheet and the flat sheet bundle also comes with pillowcases. So you actually get 4 pillowcases with the bundle, which is even better. So I got 4 of the white and then obviously the fitted flat sheet and the duvet. Guys, these are so nice, so soft. Ugh. I love it. Now that we have the sheets and duvet cover on, I'm going to show you how I plan on styling the bed. So I realized, I'm sure you guys have already noticed this, I haven't washed this bedding yet. I'm going to wash it. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing and show you how I plan on doing this. So let's go ahead and start layering in some pieces. That's one of my favorite things to do in making a bed. I love to incorporate different textures and patterns and things like that. And especially with the cooler months, I think it's just so much fun to play with that stuff and just layer on tons of blankets and pillows. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now, but I am loving this warm gray color. It is so pretty. It's definitely more on the taupey side, not so much on the gray side in my opinion, but it is stunning. And it goes really well with the rest of this room. So if you guys love the neutral colors and love that kind of taupey earthy gray color, definitely choose this warm gray. now I'm gonna go ahead and style the bench and basically the rest of this room. So I always like to keep something here at the foot of the bed just because I feel like it just completes it a little better instead of having all of like just the bedding, you know. And obviously I'm leaving the picture the same, but as far as the bench goes, I wanted to add in some more of like those kind of blue tones, and I have a variety of books here. So I have 2 book boxes. These I've had in my room for quite some time now. They're just very practical. I love how worn they look, and I just think that they're super pretty. So this is the first book. I also have a set of thrifted books. One's black and one's like a bluish color, kind of goes with that the quilt that I threw over the top of the duvet. And then another book box here that just has some really good patterns in there. I also really love the colors of these as well. So let's go ahead and put this on the bench. And then I also have another little faux plant that I'm adding over here also. So here is the faux plant that I'm adding. So I just wanted to bring out these like coppery tones. So I added some more of that dried eucalyptus. I use it like all throughout my house this fall, but I love this stuff. And this little vase here is just a thrifted pottery piece. So yeah, I'm just gonna be incorporating that over here on the nightstand.
to let you guys know that since filming this video, we have slept in our Brooklinen sheets multiple times now, and we absolutely love them. They definitely have that hotel quality that I was talking about. They are super soft and comfortable, and I definitely suggest buying these. These are so incredibly nice, and you can't beat the fact that you can mix and match the colors and just get a really good night's sleep.
Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, anything that I can have linked down below, I will have down in the description box. I will have everything from Brooklinen linked down below. I will have this Luxe package linked down below. That way you guys can check that out. I will also have my discount code down there as well. So don't forget to use that. And like I said, if you use the bundle, you can save 25%. So that is a great deal. Don't forget to check that out. And again, they have tons of colors to choose from. This is such a great quality. You're investing in your sleep, which means you're honestly overall investing in your health. So it is a win-win in my book. I love these. These are super soft. I cannot wait to curl up in the bed and just get super cozy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I post. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.